Hi guys, DK here, and returning to this DKUI sort of manually created HDMI control that we've covered in a previous video. So with this control, we have our DKUI window open, and we can interact with our Grasshopper document by just sending correctly formed HTML requests to the DKUI server. But what hasn't been covered in this with this is actually how to add more data to our payload. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this manual test named panel, and I'm going to rename this to more data. And then if I go to our panel here, we can it's a very simple matter of adding more data to our delivery, and that's simply, if we place an and, we can then append more key value pairs. So the DK more data is our is the name of this panel, and I'm going to call this 40. So let's take the same information that we've got here, and then here I will add my and we'll go DK more data equals 100. Well, let's make it something different. We'll make it 80. And if I click OK, that will all be updated. Now, as I click these links in the DKUI, we will not only get our change in the change in the size of our item on in our Grasshopper, but we'll also get this more data being populated, and we can actually take that more data and plug it into our merge component here, and now we'll actually see that value being updated in our DKUI, and this actually makes the rest of this actually redundant, because we can actually pull this into our radius now, and now we're actually directly injecting that number that's created in our UI directly into the sphere radius input. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That's the very, very simple way of adding more payload to your submission up to the DKUI server. There is a limit here, I believe, with HTML. It's or standard HTML. It may be in the region of sort of 3,000 characters. I haven't run into it yet. There's a possibility that you will run into that if you start sending huge amounts of key value pairs or JSON files or whatever you might want to add to this payload. But if you keep it to a reasonable quantity of key value pairs, you shouldn't run into that limitation. There we have it, guys. That was a quick and easy one. As always, if you find DKUI useful in your own workflows and you'd like to contribute to the project, it's just a matter of going to the DKUI pull-down menu, grabbing the buy Dave a beer component, drop it onto the canvas, and that will open up a browser window that goes directly to a PayPal payment page. you feel free to put whatever quantity you like into here, and all contributions to the project are greatly appreciated, and certainly go a long way to motivate me to improve and keep developing this platform for all of us to use in the future. And as always, if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section below this video, or you can track me down on the Rhino discourse. On there, I'm known as Kiteboard Shaper. Thank you very much.